Yo, literally like the next day of uploading this video, or the yeah, you know. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna check horror soon. Lava first. The heck?
There has been a lava outbreak. Get to high ground quick. MMVR signing off.
Oh, okay. I'm going. Don't worry. Bro. Oh, shoot! Crap! No. Go! Holy crap, that's fast. Guys, run! It's right here! You. That was easy. Bink! Hex nah! Hex nah, bro. Can y'all hear me? Oh my gosh. Bro, this is... The heck was that?
If this is just what we have for today,
Yes,
this new update is here now.
yes.
So you can get cosmetics like I'm wearing.
Yes.
Like and subscribe for L.
Don't like and subscribe to me, you...
Nothing.
Goodbye, y'all. I'm heading to horror.
Okay. Same.
Hexna!
I'll be running away, na 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 na. And he running away, ba 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 ba.
I know where the monster is.
Where? Over
And
here?
you might know where it's over here.
Right. What the heck is that? What the heck is that? Horror. Wait, can you see the flashlight?
Hello.
Hello?
Okay.
My
Go.
flashlight! What's this? Unfair. This monster's over here. That's the creepy part, though. It sucks. Hello, mister. No!
I'm scared.
We're in, let's go!
Don't worry. It's just a That's all.
I'll go past this monkey right here, right now. Bing! No, please! Holding the flashlight right now?
No.
Oh yeah. It's probably easier if you hold the flashlight, but at the same time, I think that what activates it. What do you? Oh my gosh! He fast, boy! No. Yeah, how do you even be hormone, bro? What?
Why are you coming to the back rooms? I'm going to the back.
But I'm going to the back rooms.
Dude, just wait. Don't. It's really scary, dude. Don't.
I got my piece.
Here's.
I
have the flash.
You have the flashlight.
Yeah.
Let's go. I
can't.
Please, no. Okay, so while I was editing this video, MM's Discord got a ping saying that his account got hacked, including Nico. So, do me a favor and please subscribe to him, okay? Yeah, he does a lot of stuff, like great content, not gonna lie. But, yeah, just do it now.
I will hurt you if you don't.